Everyone is talking about making passive income using AI, but most of the time you only hear the hype, not the actual journey. So I decided to test it for myself. I wanted to know, can I really create passive income using AI tools without showing my face and only by building an Instagram channel and a faceless YouTube channel? This video is my full story. Everything I tried, the exact tools I used, the struggles, the small wins, and most importantly, the real results so far. When I started this journey, I was overwhelmed with possibilities. AI is so powerful right now that you can literally do hundreds of things: writing, design, coding, automation, you name it. But the truth is, when you try to do everything at once, you fail at all of them. I realized I had to narrow down to a simple system. That's when I chose two platforms, Instagram and YouTube. The reason was simple. Both platforms already have billions of users, both allow you to reach people organically without spending on ads, and both can be monetized. The reason I decided to go faceless is because I know many people hesitate to start because they don't want to show their face. Maybe it's confidence, maybe it's privacy, or maybe it's just preference. But the good news is, you don't need to. With AI, you can have scripts, voiceovers, and visuals all generated in minutes. What matters is not the face, but the value in your content. So let's start with YouTube. YouTube is like a machine that rewards consistency. The first thing I had to do was pick a niche. I didn't want to go random, posting about food one day, fitness the next, and then AI. That confuses the algorithm. Instead, I decided to stick with what I was doing in real life, experimenting with AI and passive income. This niche is both trending and evergreen. People will always want to know how to make money, and AI is a new tool that makes it exciting. I used ChatGPT to brainstorm names for the channel. I wanted something short, catchy, and brandable. After narrowing it down, I created a simple but professional logo and banner using Canva. And I even used MidJourney to generate futuristic background images to make the branding unique. Next came content planning. I didn't want to post without direction, so I made content buckets. For YouTube, I had 4 main categories: tutorials like how to use ChatGPT to write an ebook, case studies like I tried making $100 with AI and here's what happened, list-style videos like 10 free AI tools you need to try, and experiments like the video you're watching now. Having these categories gave me structure and made sure my creating the videos was the part where AI really saved me time. I would start by using ChatGPT to draft my scripts. But here's the important part. I never copy-paste the AI script directly.
For voiceovers, I tested different options. ElevenLabs was the most realistic, but I also tried Play.ht and even some text-to-speech built into editing tools. The key was making the voice sound natural and adding pauses. Then I layered background music and visuals on top. For visuals, I combined free stock footage from Pexels and Pixabay with AI-generated images from MidJourney and Runway. Editing was done in Canva, CapCut, and sometimes Premiere Pro. I created templates so I didn't have to start from scratch every time. My plan was to upload 2 long-form videos every week, around 8 to 10 minutes, and then chop them into shorts that could also be uploaded on YouTube and Instagram. This way, I was doubling the output without doubling the work. In parallel, I started my Instagram channel. Instagram is very different from YouTube. It's fast, short, and visually addictive. I knew that to grow there, I had to focus on Reels. Static posts don't get as much reach unless you already have followers, so I built my strategy around Reels. My content categories were similar but optimized for Instagram: educational Reels about AI tools, tutorial-style Reels showing step-by-step tricks, motivational Reels using AI voices over stock clips, and carousel posts that delivered value in slides. Branding was important. I didn't want my page to look messy. I chose a dark, tech-inspired color theme with neon accents. Canva was my go-to for templates. For captions, I used ChatGPT to generate engaging text, but again, I always rewrote a little to make it sound personal. For hashtags, I used AI SEO tools to generate the best ones in my niche. Scheduling was done using Meta's business suite so I could stay consistent without being glued to my phone all day. At first, I posted 2 reels a week for the first 30 days. The goal was simple: give the algorithm enough content to test. Not every reel went viral. In fact, progress is at feeling slowly. Some started hitting hundreds of views. That's the thing with Instagram. It rewards volume and persistence. Now, let's be honest, this wasn't all smooth sailing. I had several challenges. The first was content overwhelm. With AI, you can generate 100 ideas in an hour, but not all of them are good. I had to learn to filter and pick only the ones worth turning into videos. The second was voiceover issues. At the start, some of my YouTube videos got flagged because I used a generic AI voice that sounded like everyone else's. I had to tweak it, add pacing, change tone, and layer music to make it unique. Another challenge was algorithm confusion. On YouTube, if you post too many different styles of videos, the algorithm doesn't know what to do with your channel. I had to double down on one type until my audience and YouTube both understood what my channel stood for.
And of course, there was burnout.
Even with AI, this takes work. Script editing, recording, editing, uploading it can drain you if you don't manage time. I solved this by batching. On weekends, I would write multiple scripts, record multiple voiceovers, and edit multiple videos. This way, during the week, all I had to do was post, which is the reason I couldn't post a reel a day and a long video a week. So what were the results? Let's talk numbers. On YouTube, after about 2 months, I have 0 subscribers and about 1,000 views across my channel. Not monetized yet because you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, but the growth was consistent. One of my videos that started slow suddenly began picking up traction weeks later. That's the magic of YouTube's recommendation system. On Instagram, the results came faster. After 30 days, I had few followers. The reels were only getting hundreds of views. Now the question everyone wants, did I make money? The honest answer is no. I didn't post any affiliate link as I planned, as the reels and videos weren't getting any views for the audience to click on the links. I remember, this is the beginning. The beauty of YouTube and Instagram is that they compound. Old videos keep getting views, followers keep coming in. Along this journey, I learned some important lessons. First, AI doesn't replace effort, it multiplies it. If you put in 0 effort, AI won't magically make you money. Second, you have to pick one path and double down. Trying blogging, dropshipping, freelancing, and content creation all at once only dilutes your energy. Third, faceless content works. People care more about the value you provide than whether you show your face. Fourth, the best combo right now is short form plus long form. Instagram Reels get you quick growth, while YouTube videos bring long-term search traffic and revenue. Fifth, monetization comes in stages. First you get attention, then trust, then income. It doesn't happen in week 1. And finally, affiliate marketing is the easiest way to start monetizing while you grow. Promoting AI tools. So what's next? My plan is to grow Instagram to 10,000 followers, grow YouTube to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours to qualify for AdSense, and then create my own digital product, maybe an AI prompt library or a mini course. That way, I'll have 3 streams: ad revenue from YouTube, affiliate commissions from AI tools, and direct sales from my own product. This creates a sustainable passive income system built entirely from AI, Instagram, and YouTube. I will be uploading 4 reels a week on Instagram and check if it reaches more audience compared to 2 reels a week, and try to upload at least 1 long video on YouTube a week. This journey has shown me that AI is not magic, but it is a superpower if you use it with consistency and strategy. Most people either overhype it or underestimate it.
The reality is in between. It won't make you rich overnight, but it will save you time, multiply your output, and give you a real chance to build something scalable. And that's where I am today. If you found this useful, please like this video, drop a comment to let me know if you want more detailed breakdowns of specific steps, like exactly how I make reels or edit YouTube videos. And of course, subscribe to Zero to AI so you can follow along as I continue this journey. I'll keep sharing updates, including income breakdowns, growth strategies, and even mistakes I make along the way. Also remember, I haven't invested a penny in making these videos. I have used multiple email accounts to get the free trail use from the AI tools. At the end of the day, I started with nothing but a laptop, some free AI tools, and the belief that if I stay consistent, I can build passive income streams. I'm not there yet, but the foundation is being built, and AI is helping me build it faster than ever before. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.